Once again, welcome back to the channel. In the series of learning together, this is another training session, especially for maths teachers. As we know that in maths, there are many things that we need to write and explain at the same time. And in PowerPoint presentation, it becomes very difficult for us to do all these things, and especially when you are not techno savvy. But what I have observed is if you are not techno savvy, then you are very much familiar with board and writing and explanation and all. So in this video I will explain you how to use your mobile as blackboard. Yes, you can use your mobile as blackboard, or we say whiteboard, and using this you can explain all your mathematical concepts, all your mathematical sums, in which you can write as you are writing on the board, and you can explain at the same time. So for this, dear friends, what you need one app. You go to the Play Store and search Liveboard interactive whiteboard. So I will provide the link in the description of this video. Just click on that and you will get this app. Install it, and then you can have the same type of structure which is in front of you now. What I liked in this about this app is you can insert images in that, and along with you can write on the board, as you can see here, right? If you want, you can erase. So you need to download this app and play with it. See, in very first attempt we never learn everything. So download it and use it. It is very easy. You can add different types of shapes also. Okay, I chose field 1. I don't want field 1. Okay, so you can choose different types of shapes you can draw, right? If you want field 1, like this. If you don't want, then okay. Colors. So this is what makes size of lines. This is what makes this app special other than any other whiteboard. And we have eraser. If you long press it and say clear page, everything will go. So undo, right? And for text can be used. I will show you. Like as you can see, on this part I have written as my preparation. Okay, this part I have written as a preparation before you start your class with the student, or before you prepare your video. You can keep these things ready. Now here I can't rub it all because it will take everything with it. Let us see. Yeah, so I will just rub some other part, and this is image on the right hand side. This is image which I have inserted. So for demo, I have taken the topic, find out the cube root of following numbers. Let's rub it. Yeah. And we will write it again so that you will also come to know. But I will suggest that while making video, what you can do, you can while making video, you can write your preparation on the board. So find out cube roots of following numbers, right? And you can just move it. It is a little large. I will, yeah. So like this. The only difficulty I found is once you say okay with it, you can't move it. So think before you fix its place. Now, how you can use this board very in a very useful way. So let's take an example. And this is my TLM on the right side, or you can say it is a chart which I need to teach how to find out cube roots using Vedic method. So my first example is 39,304. So depends on your topic. Certain parts you need to write as your preparation, and certain part like explanation part you need to write. So here, to find out the cube root of 39,304, I have to divide this number in two different parts. So I have divided into two different parts as 304 and 39. And to find out the cube root of this number, on the right hand side I have a collection of cubes from number 1 to 10 which I need to memorize and which will be helpful to do this activity. So here it goes. In this number 304, the number at one's place is 4, and if you see in the chart, cube of 4 is 64, so I can write 4. I am taking 4 of 64. Sorry, no need to write there. Yeah, out of 64 I am taking 4, not this 4. Okay, not this 4. I am taking 4 from this 64. So 4 from this 64, and to find number at tens place, see what is given here, 39. So in the cubes, which number is smaller than 39? So it is, we have 27, right? So 27 is the cube of which number? It is cube of 3. So children, the cube root of 39,304 is 34. The cube root of 39,004 is, this is what we do in the class, right? Once we explain, I will write it again. Now the important part. So we got our answer. 39,304 cube root is 34. So like this you can explain to your children along with your write-up. Okay, shall we take one more, so it will be easy for you to understand. Another example. Yeah, before you start your both the things, before you start your online teaching or before you start your video preparation, some paperwork you need to do, that is must. You need to be ready with your paperwork, as I am ready with my sums. So here it goes. Second question. Now let's slide it a little small. So second question goes like, find out the cube root of, I will take some one big number, 658 503. So 6,58,503. To find out the cube root of this number, again what we have to do is divide this number, make this number in two parts. And in the first part, as you can see, the number at one's place is 3. So what is the cube of 3? It is 27. So what we will take? We will take 7 at one's place. And This is the trick. Okay, divide the number into two parts. Make two parts of the number. Each have three digits. Start from right hand side, take the last digit and find out its cube, and the number at ones place will be your number at ones place. Okay, so here 27, so for 27 I have taken 7, and for 658, find out the number which is smaller than 658 and cube of any number. So it is 8. So dear friends, okay, let it be. So cube root of 6,58,503 is 87. So I hope I'm very much clear about making use of this app. Let me clear the board, clear page. So this is what happens when you clear your board. Everything will be erased. So you can use your office presentation file also. So in that case it will be easy for you to undo the ticks or undo the marks. So you can write your questions like for small children. You can write addition and number 132 plus 74 is equal to, and you can ask or you can solve whatever you want to do. You can do it here and rub it just like your board. So it will take little practice to write in a nice way. Good part is we can just consider this as a board in English or in Hindi. Hindi teachers. So if you want to write again, so this is why you need practice. Yes, हिंदी आपको सिखाना है, हिंदी के शब्द लिखने हैं, टाइपिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको. आप यहाँ पर लिखकर बच्चों को अपना जो भी सिखाना है. बच्चों, तुक वाले शब्द क्या होते हैं? तुक वाले शब्द like this. So to make it comfortable, make this board comfortable to write, we need to have little practice to write the word with finger in a small size. Okay, so this is for today, and this board, I think for maths teachers it is very much helpful, as you can write your questions, and you can, as I said, you can take shapes, right, take images. So make use of it and teach your children, give your best. Thank you once and all, once again. Have a good day.